The second stage of project management is planning. Now, during the conception and initiation stage, we approximated a budget. But in the planning and design stage, you need to formulate a comprehensive budget, like a detailed budget showing the money needed for each and everything. So that is the first point, the formulation of a comprehensive budget. The next is a detailed time scale, which is going to show the project's progress as well. Along with that, we have resource allocation for each task, like for each task, what are the things that you're going to need, the people that you're going to need, and etc. The fourth are the milestones. Milestones are like the significant achievements throughout the project. So you need to identify what those milestones are. So when you achieve them, you can be like, okay, fine, we have achieved this many milestones. So it can kind of also show you the progress that you're making along as you go along the project. Now, during this planning and design stage, you actually use a lot of different types of charts which are used for different purposes. Like the first one is CPA, critical path analysis. It's going to show you the time duration for each task along with the critical path. The critical path is the amount of time that is needed to complete the project without any delays, and it can also show you the float time, which we will discuss in detail later on. And then the next thing that we have are the Gantt charts. Gantt charts, they can also show you the critical path, but the extra things that you can see in Gantt charts are the start and end date of the project, along with the current progress of the project, like the current position where the project is within the whole time scale. And you can also see the resource allocation for each task in the Gantt chart, along with the duration. And the third one is the PERT chart. It kind of is like a Gantt chart, but it's more like you have boxes. You have a box for each chart, for each task, and each box will represent a single task. So we'll see all three of these charts or form of representations in detail later on.